the two shapes below are similar, we want to find the area of the smaller shape. Let's look at the lengths. The ratio of the lengths between these two similar shapes is 4 to 6, which cancels down to 2 to 3. It follows that the ratio of the areas will be 2 squared to 3 squared, which is 4 to 9. Now consider that we're finding the area of the smaller shape given the area of the larger shape. If we're working from large to small, we know the area will be smaller, so we use the ratio as 4 over 9 with the smaller number on top. Multiply this by 15. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and into 15 5 times. So we get 20 divided by 3, which is 6 and 2/3 centimeters squared.